Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime, because slime is my favorite thing in the whole entire world, besides my dog. So first you're going to need a bowl. So then you're going to have to add the glue. Oh, and it can be clear or white. Wait, I almost forgot to add water, so let me do that. And now I mix. Now we add shaving cream. Now mix that in. Your consistency should look like that. So now let's add activator. Now we mix it. Now we knead it. Your consistency should look like this. So now let's add beads and stuff in. First thing I'm going to add in is some metallic powder. After this should be what your consistency should be. If you use the same color, it would be this. So now I'm going to add clay. So I'll mix this in. Gross. After your consistency should be like this. So now I'm going to add some beads. I kind of have a lot of beads, so I'm going to pick like 2 colors, maybe even 4. Okay, I maybe picked 4, but I'm going to only use a little bit of each. So here is the colors I chose, so I might put some other stuff in it, like glitter and stuff, so I'm going to put some glitter into it. And some food and koala bears and stuff. Okay, so here's the stuff that I used. I have food and bears and everything. Time for mixing, so I'm going to mix this off camera, so yeah. Okay.